Hey guys, welcome back to Gabe's Garage. I hope you're having a great day, and if you're not having a good day, I hope your day gets better. Today we have a pretty cool collaboration with Oxilam LED Lights. We're just gonna be short and simple. I'm gonna put some before and after pictures and videos of the lights, and I'm gonna put the video of the installation. Like I say, it's gonna be short and simple, but I think it's gonna be pretty cool. And if you don't want to watch the video, you can go straight to the description and you're gonna find a link that will give you a 20% off if that's what you want to do. But if you want to watch the video, I'm still gonna post the link at the end, and it's gonna be also in the description. So let's get ready.
Wow. Oh my God.
So here's a few things why you may want to get these lights LEDs. These are 65K. These ones are the 9008 H13 bulbs. But you can get any bulb you want for your vehicle, make a model. Here's some of the few things, right? 800% more visibility compared to a halogen bulb. So these LED lights have 24,000 lumens, and a halogen it'll have about 3,000 lumens. So it's a big difference. That's one of them. The other one is this thing's supposed to last 60,000 hours non-stop lighting, and they do that based on the mechanism. They put like a little fan inside of the bulb, and that's supposed to be a 20,000 RPM silent turbo fan. We'll find out if they're silent. They should have no flickering. You know, when you get some LED lights and they're like cheap, they're gonna do like some flickering sometimes. Sometimes they even turn off. I see cars all the time with one headlight on with the other one off.
Bruh.
You're not gonna have that with these ones. These things are built with good quality. They're aluminum. They're supposed to operate between -40 Fahrenheit and up to 176 Fahrenheit. That's really hot. That's like cooking hot.
What?
Okay. So let's try them out. See what happens.
A few moments later.
So this is a 2011 F250 Super Duty 6.7 diesel. Go big or go home. Nah, I'm just kidding. But anyway, to do this, we're gonna have to take the grill off and take the headlights off. I wish they would have made it where you have access through the fender liner like most cars, but not on this one. But it's not as bad. I'm gonna show you. You just take the front grill out and we'll go from there. And on the bottom it has some clips that you're just gonna pull out, and it's pop clips, so it might be a little tight, but that's how you have to do. Now for the headlight itself, we're gonna have two 10mm here and one on top right here. Check this out. This is the one on top. This is the two that you can see. And then this one I didn't see, but you can see it from between the bumper and the headlight. So you got the headlight out. You're gonna twist this left. Here's the old bulb, and here is the Oxilam new bulb. Well, there you go, guys. Don't forget to get your 20% discount for these Oxilam LED lights. I think they did pretty good. The before and after you have to experience it yourself. The camera might not do justice, even though you can still see a difference in the camera. In real life, it's a lot better. The car's gonna look better. Nobody like to see that halogen looking bulb in any car, right? That's why most cars now come with LEDs. So if you have halogen bulbs, get you some pair of LEDs, and of course don't forget to get your 20% discount on the description. And I think that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can help my channel, and I hope you have a great day.